Hello, my name is Dommy Sinclair, and this is an announcement for Turnitin users at UCL. UCL currently use two versions of Turnitin, Turnitin version 1 and Turnitin version 2, or V1 and V2. During the summer upgrade, which will take place between the 22nd and the 27th of July 2016, we will be moving to a single version of Turnitin for Moodle. There are many benefits to this, and I wanted to just quickly show you some of those. There will also be a blog going into some detail in a text format if you prefer writing, which will be available in the description below this video. I will also link to a demo of how to set up a V2 assignment, the documentation for Turnitin V2, and also some more information about the summer upgrade. So please do check the description below the video for all of those. But for now, let's have a look at a Turnitin version 2 assignment. So this is one that I set up before. So the first benefit that you'll notice when I click this is that we have a single view submission inbox. So rather than having all the different tabs that you have in version 1, there's only a single tab. These Turnitin Tutor and Turnitin Student tabs, you can ignore. Those for only if you're using it through the web as well, which we don't support at UCL. So it's just this one to worry about. And you can see you've got the dates. You can edit those here really quickly if you need to. So if I need to move this, for example, I notice this post date is before the due date, I can quickly move this and just change it like that. So that's nice and quick and easy. There's a number of other things I can do as well. I can email non-submitters. So if I click this, it will bring up a thing. So I can type this in and send that. That will then go to anybody who has not submitted. So we can prompt them and remind them to make sure that they do submit to the assignment. You can also generate this grading template. So even if someone's not submitted, you can grade nothing. So if I click on this little link here, this will generate the grading template, which will mean that I can give work marks even if it's taking place offline. So perhaps if it's a presentation or some other offline activity. So you'll see that that appears there. And if I click on it again, it will take me through to this, to the document viewer that you would normally see. And you can see it's kind of just a plain piece of paper with a Turnitin logo, but I can still use all the features that I would normally use. If I go into the settings, which is what you would normally see when you set it up straight away, I can show you some of the changes that are occurring within there as well. So all of this is kind of the same. When we come a bit further down, you'll notice we can allow submission of any file type. So this means that as well as the standard text documents, such as Word files and text-based PDFs, we can also support other things. So that might be images or perhaps audio files. Although please do note that when these are not sort of compatible text files, then they won't be rendered within the document viewer. They will just appear as a link, but that can still be really useful. We also have the ability to change how we display grades, have them as percentages or fractions, and you can see the dates are all editable within the main settings. So you don't have to fiddle about and go to a different screen like you did when you were using Turnitin V1. You'll also see that there's the ability to attach a rubric from within the settings as well, which is another really nice feature. So those are some of the benefits. I hope you're as excited as we are about moving to a single version. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!